so much. Lift up your hand, appreciate God. Then in togetherness, I want us to say this. I am the lady. If you are not a lady, say I am the man. And you put a voice on it. If you are a lady, say I am a lady. If you are a man, say I am a man. If you are both, you say I am both. But say after me, I am the lady. Shout, let us, our competitors here. I am the lady. I say what you are. I am the lady who stood here and prayed for success. And God will have given it to me. I got an MCA. I got an MP. I got a senator. I got an MP, women rep. I got a governor. And I got a president. All this victory, I give it back to you, God. I dedicate the victory to you, God. I dedicate Kenya back to you, God. All what has happened, it's for the glory of your name.